Hello everyone and welcome back to Get English Fit. Today we are looking at numbers from 1 to 20 and the days of the week. Let's begin with the first 10 numbers. Similar to last lesson, the first time you just sit and relax and listen to me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, this time you listen and repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done. Let's see if you can remember the numbers. I will say, for example, number 1, and you must remember the next one. What's this? 2. So I say 1, you say 2. I say 3, and you remember, what's this? 4. 5. What's this? 6. 7. What's that? 8. 9 and 10. Well done. This time you begin, okay? You do the first. What's this? Good. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done. Now from 11 to 20. So again, you relax and listen to me. 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, 20, 20. Good. This time you listen and repeat. Listen and repeat. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good. Another time. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Very good, well done. Now, let's try and go from the beginning, so from number 1 to 20. Okay? I think if you listen and repeat, we can do it this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Well done. Very good. Now, it is important to understand the correct pronunciation for 2 of those numbers in particular. The numbers 3 and 13. 3 and 13. Not 3 and 13. So th. These teeth, they go on your tongue. And you can practice with the teeth on the tongue. Blow. It's the TH for 3. 3. Th. 3. Th. 3. Also 13. 13. Th. 13. If I can't see your tongue, you are not pronouncing the words correctly, which is a problem in English because we often use the th pronunciation. For example, thank you, thank you. So let's practice again. The teeth on your tongue and try to let the air come through. The number 3, 3, and the number 13, 13. Listen and repeat. 3, 3, 3. Good, well done. Now 13. Listen and repeat. 13, 13. Again, 13. Well done. There are a lot of English words with the th, so it is a good idea to practice, practice, practice. You can practice in front of a mirror. A mirror. When you look in the mirror, you can see your mouth and your tongue. The days of the week, the 5 weekdays, begin with the Monday. Monday. Just listen and relax for now. Monday, Monday. Tuesday, Tuesday. Wednesday, Wednesday. Thursday, Thursday. Friday, Friday. And the weekend, the 2 days that make the weekend are Saturday, Saturday, and Sunday, Sunday. I know in different places, in different countries, we have different weekend days. But in England and in English-speaking countries, we usually have the Saturday and Sunday as the weekend. So this time you participate. Listen and repeat. Monday, Monday. Tuesday, Tuesday. Wednesday, Wednesday. And notice how Wednesday is written is Wednesday, Wednesday. But when we pronounce it, we don't say Wednesday. We say Wednesday. You don't hear the D, the wed. You don't hear D. You hear when, when, Wednesday, Wednesday. Practice. Good. Another time, Wednesday. Good. Thursday, Thursday. Good. Now notice the T H in Thursday. So, like before, with 3 and 13 and thank you, we pronounce the th in Thursday. So, the teeth on your tongue, th, Thursday. Let's practice. Thursday, Thursday. Good. Friday, Friday. Saturday, Saturday. Sunday, Sunday. Well done. Okay, so one more time, listen and repeat and remember the pronunciation. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Well done. Now, what day is it today? Put the day of the week in the comments below. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell so that next time you can join me for lesson 3 of my English course for beginners.